Hello, I'm John Helbing, president of Air-Tro Heating and Air Conditioning. Air-Tro's fleet of trucks and professional mechanics are ready to satisfy your heating and cooling needs for your home or place of business.
No one told you life was gonna be this way.
That's why it's so important to maintain a comfortable living and working environment.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day.
So ladies and gentlemen, to keep your cool, please call us the Air-Tro team.
I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you.
And my family has matured wonderfully too. Anthony and Robert joined Air-Tro in 87 and 89. Hi, I'm John Helbing.
Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when.
Gosh, where has the time gone?
Time flies when you're having fun, Dad.
I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you.
And Air-Tro will continue to satisfy our customers' indoor comfort with sound engineering, timely installation, and quality service at a competitive price.
For your indoor comfort, call the Air-Tro team.